Alright, we're back for a bonus race. We're doing a fun little leader outside the cones race. We have like 12 people in this race. It's going to be wild. Can't wait. After doing that 1v1 racing all night, it's good to have, you know, some actual heads-up racing. So, let's see how this goes. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Yep, okay. Let's get through this. Let's get through this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You spun when I was right there. I'm sorry. That was obviously not on purpose. Oh my gosh, I got no traction. And I think my brake pedal's sticking. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, it might be sticking a little bit. We got some catching. We need the leader outside the cones rule to come into effect here so that we can catch up. Because we're a little far back. There was some incidents at the very beginning that it caused some delays back here. So we got to catch up. I think we're catching up slowly. This cart's got a sound too. I don't know what's going on there. Ooh, yeah, buddy. I am moving though. I know that. I feel like throughout the night, like I've just kept getting better at that particular turn. I feel like I'm crushing it right now. I feel like I have just the right amount of grip. That like I am like flying through there. That was not good though. I lost some traction there. Not traction. I lost momentum. That's what I meant to say. Oh, Brian. Okay. Got a little wide there, Brian. Okay. Brian's gonna take it this time. Oh. And then provided I'm still in first when we come back there, then I will have to take it. Which I presume is going to be the case. I'm definitely like pulling away from people back there. At least I feel like I am. Alright, is it going to be just us three for a while? Is that going to be what's going to happen? Not good braking by me. Not good braking. Oh, we're losing traction there. Thank you for the bump. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh boy. What do I gotta do here? What do I gotta do here? Oh. Oh no. Ah. Oh no. Awkward. Okay. It's okay, bud. It happens. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. And it's a fun bonus race. Who cares, you know? It just gives me a challenge. I have to get back up to where I was now. I don't have that space technically. That's my space now, though. Oh, no. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Okay, bud. Okay. We have to pass you. Alright, we're past. No! Okay, good race.